Why do scientists need to know the atomic number and mass number of elements? Let's dive in. First up, the atomic number. Think of it as an element's ID card. It's unique and tells you exactly which element you're dealing with. For example, hydrogen's atomic number is 1, meaning it has 1 proton and 1 electron in a neutral atom. This number is what places hydrogen in its spot on the periodic table. Now let's talk mass number. Picture this. You've got a backpack with protons and neutrons inside. The mass number is the total of these protons and neutrons. So, if our hydrogen atom has 1 proton and no neutrons, its mass number is 1. Easy, right? But wait, there's more. If an atom has more neutrons, it's called an isotope. So if hydrogen has 1 proton and 1 neutron, its mass number is 2, making it an isotope of hydrogen. Remember, atomic number equals sign protons and mass number equals sign protons plus neutrons. With these simple concepts, you're ready to tackle the periodic table like a pro.